Hi, it's Robert Schwemmer and welcome to my channel. Today have returned back to the Kern River. It is flowing pretty heavy. Also got to visit Lake Isabella. Was really impressed to see how high the water levels were. My last journey up here, it was really sad. The marina was so low down what looked like a ravine of the former lake bed. They couldn't even get fuel down there for her to fuel her pleasure boats for the public. So today she has got plenty of water surrounding her. I hope to do some photos comparing the earlier footage. Her name is Deb, so if you come up in the area and want to rent a boat, go see her. She owns the business. Little concerned that the spring runoff will actually raise the lake, and if it goes over the larger spillway, that would actually put her floating marina at the street level. So just a little concerned about that. But I shot some footage earlier today of the lower Kern. Oh my, a lot of white water. There was a group there actually doing some rescue training, not in-water training. It was to recover an injured person along the shoreline. So that was fun to watch them do their drills. So right now I'm on the northern part of the Kern River, just below the spillway. Did some filming up there earlier. Not seeing a lot of river rafting going on. I saw one of the buses pulled over, but didn't see any launching. So hopefully for the days out, I'll get to maybe capture some people enjoying the rapids, which are pretty amazing. A lot of white water here. So let's go get some more footage. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here. I'm still on the North Fork of the Kern River. Did some more drone flights after our last talk. I've noticed over the course of the day that the river has been rising. There's a rock behind me, which I'll show that I filmed yesterday, is now completely underwater, and the little beach area that I took shade under yesterday afternoon is now underwater. So the snow melt continues here, and I'm still on the North Fork of the Kern River. Didn't see any river rafters anywhere along the upper parts, up close above the spillway basically, which is a popular area for them to end their journey coming through the rapids. So maybe it's due to the level of water from the spring runoff, which will continue. So this morning, just having some coffee, heated up some Pete's coffee I had from yesterday, and enjoying the morning. The sun is slowly peeking over the top of the hill, and you can see behind me, it's just still kind of in the shadow. So looking forward to doing a little bit more shooting here. But it's been a really great day up here so far this morning, and I had a blast yesterday. I met some really neat people along the way, which is always a great part of these journeys. So let's go see what the day brings us. Well, still here on the North Fork of the Kern River. As you can see behind me, that is, I guess, a combination of a small waterfall and some extreme rapids. Obviously why I'm not seeing any kayakers, or, well, I guess a kayaker probably could handle that water, but certainly not river rafters, those that may not have the skill set. But a lot of water moving through the river here. Again, I'm still on the North Fork of the Kern, and just beautiful morning. I'm gonna go down the road a little bit closer to Kernville and see if possibly there's any kayakers. If not, that's okay. It's just been fun here, golden hour, watching the sun come up in the morning. This fall here, I've took some shots from the air, from the side. A lot of power, just if you could hear the roar as it's passing through those boulders. Anyhow, another exciting day on the Kern River. I hope you enjoyed visiting the Kern River and a glimpse at Lake Isabella during the spring 2023 runoff. And yes, I found the river rafters passing Kernville. If you enjoyed this video, I sure hope you give it a like, and a big shout out to my loyal subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing, where we explore above and below the sea and from the air. Thank you.